I want to get into venture, Camille. And this is going to help me get there. And she was just like, what are you talking about? She was like, go apply to venture right now. And like, I had gotten final round with this consulting firm that did a lot of work with venture capital.
And so you were trying to go about it like a
and I was
direct.
like, yeah, exactly. I was like, oh, if I go into this consulting firm, then I can get a job in venture capital. My sister was like, you're not a consultant. Like, don't go into consulting. What are you doing? What are you thinking? Go straight into venture. Like, people hire, it might take a long time and it might take longer than this job that you have in hand or like that you're in a final round, but people hire kids like you with your background. So don't be afraid. And I think that I find that a lot of my friends kind of do, they do kind of put these jobs on a pedestal and they're like, I'm not ready to be an investor, or I'm not ready to be XYZ. I need this more layer of experience or whatever. And it kind of is the wrong mentality.